Hello, welcome to my channel again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our last condo style condominium, and we're going to compare what's different in this top level versus the bottom level. And I decided to start on the top floor. Well, actually, wasn't the top floor. So let's go to the top floor. Hope you enjoyed this home tour in Chantilly, Virginia. Homes by Ozzy. Oh, well, that was it to the top floor. So something can go here. You could be creative. Leads to an open space. So, wow. Do you see that? You can have your roof life. Get your roof life together, girl or guy. So what I also wanted to show you in this community is that you can do all your shopping. The Wegmans there's nice restaurants out here. I actually like this outdoor space. I didn't want to leave, so let's go. We got to finish this tour. So that's the top level that this condo offers you. Once again, this is a part of the Fairfax collection, featuring spacious 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, townhome style condominiums with 2 innovative designs, optional rooftop terraces. So, to my right, of course, the master bedroom. Let's take a look from this angle. Y'all see that chandelier? I think I have a thing for chandeliers. To my left is the walk-in closet. Spacious. Shelving. Looks like they're adjustable. Let's check out this master bath. In the bottom level, you had the, the balcony area coming from the master bedroom. Versus this, you get a rooftop terrace. So, of course, there's double sinks. Y'all know I love a great mirror. Well, if you don't know, separate bath, linen closet here. So, let me do that again. Natural lighting, double sinks. So across here, to my right, wow, look at this wash and dryer. And this one, more space, bright windows. Cabinet space. Across, we have the full bath here. Double sinks here also. Can you see that? Let me go in. Medicine cabinet. Got your linen closet here. That's a decent size. And then we're gonna go right to this bedroom here. I love windows. I'm a fan of windows. Closet space here. You saw that lamp? Never saw a lamp like that. So let's get this space again. Off to the smaller bedroom. Nice for a newborn nursery or bedroom for your baby. Office space of choice if you like. Let your creativity roam. Let's go from this angle inside of the closet to give you a look here. Downstairs we go. It fits a nice sectional here, as you can see. One of my favorite features is that open space there. And you can open that sliding door and go off to the balcony area. And I like that it's covered. The mailboxes are down there. So as you can see, the neighbors across, the opening space there. So one of my favorite features of this home is that rooftop that we started at. And then look, you don't have to use that third room for office space or a study space. This can be right here on this level. Don't think it comes with a door, or maybe that's an option. And it looks out to the balcony. So off to the kitchen. Nice kitchen area. So let's get it from this angle here. Pantry, nice size pantry here. So back to this part of the kitchen. As you can see, the dining room area has this bench here. If you like that style, that's an option. And then this little area here with a sink. And this door does open, so you can at least just stand out and get some fresh air. Half the bath here. Maybe you want to see this mirror. And downstairs we go. This is the top level of the condo style home. If you're okay with walking stairs, you can have the rooftop terrace experience. That's a plus about having the top level. So back down we go. And I can show you here. It's on this side you come. You go to the left. Your garage is this way. It's a one-car garage. And across the front door. Hope you enjoyed this tour with Homes by Ozzy with eXp Realty. If you don't have a realtor, looking for a realtor, interested in new home construction, condo style or townhomes in the Chantilly, Fairfax County area, contact me, Ozzy English. Information contact below. You can pick my brain, ask me questions. I'm available, accessible to you. Hope you enjoyed your tour. Find that address. Let's close that deal.